Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. So I've been wanting to try Amritsari Paneer Bhurji recipe for a long time. So I decided to do so in today's video. So this is a very simple recipe which is apt for dinner if you are a vegetarian and love paneer. So the ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. And for more such easy and quick paneer recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. So let's jump into the recipe. So place a pan on medium heat, heat some oil in the pan, then add some gram flour to it. Now we need to saute this gram flour until it changes color. So you just continuously mix it for some time. And then it will start bubbling and then finally it will change color to a caramel shade. At which point we'll remove it from flame and keep it aside. Now in the same pan on medium high, I've added some butter because butter makes everything better. But if you do not like using butter, you can use oil instead. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions, ginger and green chilies and saute it until the onion starts changing color. Now it's time to add the masalas, which is turmeric, roasted cumin powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder. Add everything in and cook the masalas, making sure they don't burn. You can add a little water to this mixture to stop it from burning. Now it's time to add the tomatoes and we are going to just saute it and make it soft and make sure we don't overcook them. So the tomatoes are cooked. Now we'll add the roasted gram flour which we had kept aside. Let's just mix everything together and we'll add some water to this and make a base for the paneer. So I'm adding water at this stage, mixing everything together and creating the base for the paneer bhurji. Let's also add salt to taste at this stage. So it's ready. Now it's time to add the grated paneer. Let's mix the paneer along with the base. And then we'll let it cook further for another few minutes. So the paneer needs to cook for another few minutes, after which we'll add the Kasoori Methi and Garam Masala to it. We'll let it cook for a few seconds and then switch off the flame and remove the paneer from the stove. You can use this recipe as a dinner side dish for chapati or paratha. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with new recipes. Until then, bye bye.